Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick System and Updates, and here you will notice a reset. So just go to Reset Options, and now pick Reset All Settings. And if you really want to reset all the settings, including those for network, fingerprint and lock screen, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then draw your unlocked pattern to confirm, select Reset All Settings one more time. And that's it. As you can see, all the settings have been reset. Let me start with changing backlight brightness, and now you can set everything from scratch. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.